Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. You need materials like sketching paper, pencil, eraser, blending stuff or tissues that is optional. Fine tip pens, colored pencils is optional. Start by choosing a landscape reference image or visualize a scene in your mind. Consider elements like mountains, trees, river, sky, and bridge. Decide where the horizon line will be and what elements will be included. Lightly sketch the horizon. This line divides the drawing into the sky and the ground. Use triangles or curved lines to sketch mountains in the background. You can also draw vertical lines for tree trunks and add ovals or cloud-like shapes. If you are including a river or lake, sketch the shape with wavy lines. Go over your basic shapes, adding details to your mountains like ridges and trees, leaves and branches. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Make objects in the foreground larger and those in the background smaller to create a sense of depth. Thanks for watching this video.